Here I've got Sharp D10 and let me show you how to activate developer options on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then scroll down to the very bottom of the list and go to the last tab, which is About Phone. Now scroll down a bit and here you will notice build number. Hit it 7 times. And as you can see, now you're a developer. So let me go back to the previous page. And as you can see over here, developer options appeared, so you can simply open them and use all of these advanced features so you can perform very useful operations. It's up to you whichever you would like to use and use them as often as you want to. But then if you would like to switch off developer options, simply click on this tab and now go back to the normal usage. As you can see, they disappeared from here. So if you would like to activate them one more time, you will have to perform the same trick again. So that would be all. This is how you can activate, use and deactivate developer options in your Sharp D10. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.